e ia no Te Poari Turuhi Māori o Whanganui kia whakatū NGΑ TOHU mai te matapihi o Te Awa Tupua taino atu rā ki Taumarunui. E whakamārama ana ngā kōrero itori o tēnā piko o te awa o tēnā piko o te awa. Ko Soraya Peke-Mason te kai whakaaere matua.
This is an opportunity for a hapū that can tell their stories that they are comfortable with. It's an opportunity for them to protect those stories, to preserve those stories, and to have them, to share them so that they are there for the next generation.
Mai te rohe o ini ngākau taino atu rā ki tūpo'o, koe nā te wānuitanga o tēnei kaupapa.
It's quite wide in terms of the mandate. It goes from the North Mole, which is in Castlecliff, right through the River Road, right through to, actually does go to Taumarunui, because that's the mandate of the Whanganui Māori Regional Tourism Organisation.
Ka wakamana ia tēnei kaupapa e tēnā apu o Te Awa Tupua.
It is hapū-led all the way, right from not just telling the stories, but they have the opportunity to actually provide us with their preferred artists. If they've got graphic artists within their community, then we'll utilise them. We'll use their mahi toi, their carvers, whoever they have in terms of their capacity. If they have that, we are engaging with them right through the whole project, from telling the story to its installation. And that installation can be anything from a storyboard, or it could be a pō. It's what they want.
Ākoa e kaupapa tēnei e wakamai ana e ētehi atu iwi uri no e te motu, e kaupapa tēnei I wakaro ia e ngā uri o Te Awa Tupua.
We actually started with a clean slate. This is about Te Awa Tupua, our people telling their stories the way that they want to tell it. And of course, we've had a bit of a titiro in terms of our research around what other people are, or other iwi have done or are doing. Yet we're inspired by them. But at the end of the day, the design, the concepts, the delivery, even the installation, if they've got someone there that can install those signs, we're there and we want them to do it.
E wai wakaro ana Te Poari Turuhi Māori o Whanganui mo te anamata, engari mo tēnei wā, iai ki te wakatauki, I tēnei.
This is about the preservation of our taonga for the future, our future generations, and technology, IT is very much part of that. Eventually, or over time, we will look at building on what we're doing here to include IT, and it could be, for example, an app. We might design an app that's going to that people can perhaps purchase or hire or whatever, pick it up in Whanganui, access the app, and then drive along the awa, the River Road, and be able to hear those stories.
Wai o mā ngā uri o Te Awa Tupua o rātou kōrero e kōrero tia. Eruera Rerekura, te reo o te uru.